it's Isabel, a faith-based model, your encourager, here to show you that you can. You can do all the things that God has placed in your heart to do. And today I want to show you what I ate in a day with a Daniel fast. If you're not familiar with the Daniel fast, you can read the book of Daniel. It is a super exciting book. It just stirs me up with fire every single time because it incorporates so much of the character of God that we don't think about enough. I think like the supernatural mystery part of God, the part of God that gives you dreams and visions and wisdom and to interpret it, also to be set apart from the culture and to just be unstained by the world and just have a devotion to God. Obviously, this is what I eat, and this is showing you food. The Daniel fast is not a diet, but there is a diet incorporation of some thought that needs to go into what you eat. The diet fast is basically whole foods. It's everything that comes from the ground. There's a couple fasts. Daniel, he did 2 different fasts in the Bible, and one of them he said, just give me water and vegetables. and it said that he got more lean, or actually some say more fat. And the interpretation of that can be kind of, but that he basically looked better, healthier, leaner, I believe more muscle mass at the end of that experiment. And so the purpose of this fast that I chose was not to lose weight. I just want to preface that because it's important as a model that I be an advocate for healthy eating. The purpose of this fast for me was to get closer to the Lord, to get a spirit of wisdom and understanding. There's some really wonderful things that he spoke to me at the end of the year that I wanted to get more clarity on. So that is the purpose of why I fasted, to hear from God more. That being said, I wanted to show you what I eat in a day because there are not enough videos, there are not enough things of creative, really delicious recipes on YouTube if you search them. And so I wanted to show you some options of things to eat. And I will not be speaking anymore in this video. I will just show you straight up what I ate. And if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. It helps me out so much. And let me know what recipes you go to eat something delicious and fast if you're having a restrictive fast, or if you're doing something similar to a vegan diet, whole foods. Let me know in the comment section down below. If you would like a video that's more geared to show why I fasted and my testimony of what God's been doing on this fast, please also let me know in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later. Listen to God's voice today. Let him change your life. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.